Crypto and Queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. In today's episode, I will show you why I took the sell opportunity on Ethereum. I thought that my Bitcoin trade during the live stream, the stop loss got taken. It did not. I am still in my Bitcoin position. I will also do a recap of the other pairs, and we are in some good profits. The market took take profit 1 on most of the pairs. Remember, I am no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at this video and I'll show you exactly what happened during today's live stream. And don't forget that we will do the same thing tomorrow. So during today's live stream that we did have, I had my trend line like this, and I did have my Fibonacci levels at 38,945, around these levels now, guys, 39,040. And we saw the market breaking inside, so we were a little bit in a drawdown. But then after the live stream, I went into the 15-minute chart again, and I was looking at this level between 39,334 and 39,250, and I saw that the market gave us the reversal pattern right here. You can see that these 3 candlesticks right here represent an evening star, so I was pretty sure that we were supposed to go down. You also saw the retest of this level. The market continued to the downside, so the market is on its way down. But what I did then, I changed my support trend line again. I used this previous higher low that we did have, and if we go to the lower time frames now, you can see that we are just about to retest this level again. So yeah, let's see. I am still bearish at the moment. The market did precisely. We came back up and retested the 50% at 39,395. So I still do expect the market to pull back down on Bitcoin. And on BYBIT, I was in a trade and I told you guys that my stop loss got hit. It didn't. Confused girl. Yes, but I did move my stop loss to the high, so we are slightly above my entry at the moment. So I'm just waiting for the market obviously to pull back down. So I am still in my trade. If we go to Ethereum, guys, you can see that we came back up and retested the support trend line. We did break it. You saw the market came back up into our sell limit level, so we were a little bit of a drawdown on this one too, guys. So this happened on today's live stream, so I told everyone that I potentially sell the market at 2,865. We came back up and retested the support trend line one more time, as I said, and take profit 1 is 2,810, take profit 2 is 2,770, take profit 3 is 2,740. Just might see the market pull back up a little bit, but I will just let the market do whatever it's supposed to do. I did have a stop order, so the market got activated at 2,880 on Ethereum. So I'm also in a trade on Ethereum. My take profit is at 2,740. So I'm just waiting for the market to drop. Guys, don't forget that you can also receive a bonus on BYBIT up to $4,100. You have the link in the description down below the video, or somewhere here in the corner. Remember that you are supporting Bitcoinsensus by doing that, so claim the best bonus available down below this video. Looking at Solana, we came back up and retested the Fibonacci levels perfectly. So if anyone, even though I am no financial advisor, if you took this trade, you are also in take profit now. Take profit 1 got hit at 97. Take profit 2 is 95.74, and take profit 3 is 94.65. So if you took a trade, I would suggest to move your stop loss into entry. Looking at KADENA, well, the same thing happened here. We came back up precisely to the Fibonacci levels. Take profit just got hit at 4,695. Take profit 2, we're about to head down to that level at 4,5380. Take profit 3 is 4,4750, and I also had a take profit 4 at 4,4020. Looking at DOT, we also came up to, yeah, so on DOT the same thing happened. We came back up to the Fibonacci levels. We're about to hit target 1 soon, potentially at 16.625. Take profit 2 is 16.425. Take profit 3 is 16.204. 45 too. So we're just waiting for the market to drop. You just might see the market potentially pull back up a little bit and then drop. So it's gonna look something like this, guys. So let's just see what we can do about this so you can see exactly how I think. So this is how it looks. So, but the market is already triggered, but this is only if we see the market pull back up to this level one more time, because we do have an inverted hammer, so we just might fill this wick and then continue, or we're just dropping now. But this is how I would want DOT to look like. Looking at GALA, the same thing happened. We came back up and retested the Fibonacci levels. Take profit 1 got hit at 0.16765. Take profit 2 almost, you can see that we almost came back down to that level, but take profit 2 is 0.16600. Take profit 3 is 0.16468. And did I also have it down here at 0.16105? So also same thing here. We are in profit when it comes to GALA. We came back up, retest the level, and now we are potentially see the bounce to the downside. Same thing happened on Luna. We can already see that the market did retest the levels. We are in profit. Take profit 1 got hit at 88.15. Take profit 2 is 87.37, and take profit 3 is 86.69. I would also move my stop loss. Whatever trade you took during today's live stream, I would just move my stop loss to entry. Looking at SAN, the same thing happened. Take profit 1 got hit. Take profit 2 is around 2.4636. Take profit 3 is at 2.4392. You can see right now on Bitcoin, I'm just going to do a little recap. You can see that we came back up now during when I was recording this. You see the market retest the level, so you just might see the market drop. Potentially we can come back up and retest 38,945. Thank you so much, guys, for looking at this video together with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification, because I will have multiple live streams during the week, and we will do the same thing and try to find if we find any other opportunities to sell the market. Obviously now we are waiting for the market either to come to our entry again, because now we do have some momentum to the upside. So that is why it's very good for us to move our stop loss to entry. Have a good day, guys. Comment below if you did enjoy today's live stream or today's video, and market is going up. Have a good day. Mwah.